We have already addressed the extent to which majority rule serves as the governing principle in the American system. Do representative institutions operate according to majoritarian principles? To some extent. For example, the legislative process in Congress requires that a majority of House members and a majority of senators vote in favor of a bill in order for it to pass Congress. However, the Supreme Court has the power to declare the law invalid with its power of judicial review. This is an anti-majoritarian feature of our system. Why does the Supreme Court declare laws that are supported by a majority of Americans and their representatives in Congress or state legislatures invalid? Presumably, in many cases, because the Constitution is based on the premise that there is some authority that even a Democratic majority cannot exercise if it interferes with the civil liberties rights of individuals. For example, majorities of Americans support a law which would protect the U.S. flag against those who would desecrate it, and their elected representatives are all too happy to enact such laws, complete with penalties for those who would show such disrespect for our national emblem. But the Supreme Court has held that burning a flag is a political statement and is therefore protected by the First Amendment of our Constitution. The traditional theory's emphasis on majority rule as a defining criteria of democracy is outweighed by our liberal culture's emphasis on individual rights.